Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Body Lotion, Rosa Mosqueta, Dry Skin, 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Rosehip Seed Oil Revive and Replenish, crafted by nature since 1967. Silicone-Free, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, cruelty-free. Luxurious body lotion restores natural moisture balance to leave skin incredibly soft and silky. An excellent moisturizer for dry skin. Key ingredients: organic Rosa Mosqueta rosehip seed oil helps improve skin texture, nourishes organic sweet almond and macadamia nut oils, smooth and moisturize. Suggested use: shake well before using. Other ingredients: Aqua, cetyl alcohol, from coconut oil, alcohol denat. 38B, lavender, glycerin, prunus, amygdalus, dulcis, sweet almond, oil, Rosa damascena, rose, flower water, glyceryl, stearate, from vegetable oils, cetyl alcohol, from coconut oil, aloe, barbadensis, leaf juice, leuconostoc, radish root, ferment, filtrate, Rosa rubigienosa, Rosa Mosqueta rosehip, seed oil, Macadamia integrifolia seed oil, glyceryl inoleate, vitamin F, stearic acid, sodium cocoa glutamate, from coconut oil, Camellia sinensis, white camellia, leaf oil, Helianthus annuus, sunflower, seed oil, Simongigenensis, jojoba, seed oil, glyceryl linolenate, vitamin F, citrus grandis, grapefruit, extract, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, tocopherol, vitamin E, natural fragrance. Certified organic. Natural isolate blend sourced from essential oils. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.